Let's install the FlowBelow AeroFender kit. Here is a list of required tools. Each FlowBelow AeroFender kit will include quarter fender assemblies, AeroFender fairings, one bag of installation hardware, and Freightliner kits will include additional frame posts and caps. To begin, Freightliners need to replace the existing post. Install the curved frame post provided in the kit using the 1/2-inch impact driver and wrench. If you have an International, Kenworth, Peterbilt, Mack, or Volvo, you can skip this step. You may need to drill a hole and add a post that is not included in your kit if you do not have an existing frame post already installed. Slip the U-clamp over the frame tube and slide on the quarter fender mount. Secure the assembly by tightening the U-clamp using the 1/2-inch impact driver, but do not fully tighten the nuts. Position the quarter fender assembly so the lower part of the mounting boss is aligned with the tire tread edge of the outer tire. This will allow airflow to pass between the quarter fender assembly and the AeroFender panel without hitting the tire face. Attach the fairing to the end of the quarter fender assembly using the nuts, bolts, and washers provided in the installation hardware bag. Tighten using the 3/8 impact driver and wrench. Position the AeroFender fairing by rotating the quarter fender assembly until there's approximately 2 to 4 inches of space between the tire and the fairing. The optimal spacing is different for each OEM. Fully tighten the nuts on the U-clamp. Let's double check our work. Confirm the AeroFender is correctly spaced from the tire and is the ideal height from the ground. And double check all hardware is secure. Need more help? Call or email FlowBelow for technical support.